Hello friends, I am Vikas Sharma. Today we are going to discuss about the JDBC connection in Java, that means connecting our application with the database. So I am going to tell you about the MySQL database. Similar way you can connect with the Oracle and others also. So first of all we should have one database here. I am having test name and then there is a table I have created EMP. And I have put some rows already here, as you can see. uh, yeah, so there is only one row here that I have already inserted in the EMP table, and through the application I'm going to fetch this row. So first of all, let's see some theoretical part, what we are using here, what we are doing here. Okay, so let's understand in that way. So we are going to use the driver class. So here you in the code, the driver class is mentioned here. Okay, so second thing is connection URL. In this connection URL we are using here in this line. Okay, so what is this in this connection URL? What are the parts those are describing the connection URL? First is JDBC, that is the name of the API that we are going to use in the connection URL. Second thing is the name of the database that we are going to use, that is used here. Third thing is localhost. Localhost means the name of the host where the database server is running on. We can use the IP address also if database server is configured on the another server. So we can give the IP address here also. This is the default port of MySQL database on which it runs on. If you are using MySQL database on another port, then you can define here. This is the name of the database on which we are going to connect. In my case, I have created one database with the name test, so I am going to connect it with test database. Then we have to specify the username and password. As we can see, this is username and this is password. Okay, so one more thing that also you have to do while you are connecting with the MySQL database, you have to download MySQL connector jar. You can download it easily from the internet. There is one site Java Tools, you can download it from there very easily. As you can see, this is the file mysql-connector.java. It will load it in the form of zip, and you can extract it with the file, and you have to put this file mysql connector jar in the ext folder here. As you can see, the path is specified in C program files java, jdk, jre, lib and ext. In this folder you have to put your jar. If it does not work from here, then go to the java folder, jre, lib, ext folder and put that jar here also. In my case it didn't work from here, so I have already put it into the jdk, jre, lib, ext folder also. So now it's working fine for me. So you can put at both places and then it will work. Okay. So this is the nomenclature that we are using here, and then its password you can use to connect to the database. So now here is the program that I am using to connect to the database. That's a test program. Okay, as you can see, I have already described, this is the driver that I'm going to use for MySQL database connection. Then this is the connection that I'm going to create to the database. This is the username and this is password. By default username is root for MySQL, and I have put root password because while I was installing MySQL I have given this password only, and this is the URL that I have already described. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the connection and then create the statement. After creating the connection, we are creating the statement. Dot create a statement. This is the statement through which we are going to execute query. In the statement, we will put our query in the here in this method. So we'll call this method execute query and we'll pass the query in this method. So in return it will give us the result set. This result set contains the result that it is fetching from the database. So what we are doing here, we are doing select star from EMP. That means we should get this record here in our program and we should be able to print it here. So let's try this program to run. First I'm going to build it. And then I'll run it. So here you can see that this row is coming A, ABC and 30. So this is the way of connecting the database to the Java application. You can apply this to any application wherever you want to connect to the database. This example I have given you for MySQL. For Oracle also I am giving you some information here. You'll have to use this driver for Oracle. For connecting URL will be the different. Here is only slightly difference between Oracle and MySQL database connection method. This is XC, that is the by default service that run on the Oracle server. So we change it here, okay. And this information you can get in this file as specified here. This file will tell you all this information you can see here, okay. Apart from that, simply username and password only. So slightly change in the connection URL for Oracle and driver for Oracle, okay. So through this you can connect easily through the database in Java. So that's it for today, friends. Later on we'll discuss some more concepts in Java, okay. So till then, bye bye.